For the ingredients, we have fish fillet, 1 egg, ginger and garlic, a bit of salt, cooked rice, white pepper, and paprika. This is all you need, but you're not limited to the spices to use. You can use whatever spice or seasoning that you want, but these are my 2 preferred spices. So let's begin. Okay, so here's the thing. I was to use a mixer or a blender to blend the fish into a thick paste so that you can be able to like fry it easily, but now the lights went off. But you know, there's always another route, there's always another way of cooking in the kitchen. So we're going to be using flour. We'll be adding flour to our ingredients, so let me show you guys how we're going to do it. So we'll just add a bowl full of flour. This is just all-purpose flour, any flour you can, gram flour, any of them can work. So we just mix it all up. much guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post. Thank you so much for being here, and see you next time guys. Bye.